This video teaches you how to add PDFs to a PowerPoint, either as a snipped image or an object. Using your PDF as an image. Open PowerPoint. Create a new presentation or open an existing one. Navigate to the slide where you want to add the PDF. Open the PDF in a PDF viewer. You need to have this window of your PDF open and available to screenshot. Zoom in on the part of the PDF you want in your slide. Change the active window back to PowerPoint. Click the Insert tab. Click Screenshot. A menu will drop down labeled Available Windows with previews of all your open windows. Click Screen Clipping. This is under the thumbnail previews of the available windows. Your screen will take on a frosted appearance, and your cursor will look like crosshairs, and your PDF will become the active window. Click and drag your mouse to select the content of the PDF you want. Your selection shows up in the PowerPoint presentation, and you can edit this from the Picture Tools Format tab in the ribbon. Inserting your PDF as an object. Click the Insert tab. Click Object. A window will pop up. Click to select Create from File. You can either use the Browse feature to look for your PDF, or you can type in the file name along with its location. Click OK to confirm. The box will disappear and the PDF will load as an object in the current slide. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.